Hi, welcome to Waves TechX app. After installing the app, let us open the application now. Now app opens and it will ask for the username and password. So I'll use one of our customers login ID to log in. You can even remember me, use that option so that each and every time you don't have to type in and then log into the application. So currently we have a dashboard which shows out of 8 vehicles, total number of vehicles has been installed is 8. In that, 2 vehicles are running and 5 vehicles are in stop, and 1 vehicle is in inactive state. So let us click on 2 vehicles. So you can see the status dashboard. So in this, object name appears and the status of the vehicle is showcasing how many kilometers the vehicle has been traveling at and the ignition status. So we have other details like activities. So total activity of the vehicles, like 8% the vehicle was running and 80% the vehicle was stopped for current date. And we have reports of distance traveled of each and every vehicle per day. So if you click on that particular chatbot, you can see the number of vehicles, how many kilometers the vehicle has been traveled, and as well as idling of each individual vehicles, and even you can see the stop page hours of the vehicles. So let me come to the top. So we have 8 number of vehicles. If you click on that, it will showcase the all the 8 vehicle status dashboard. So out of 8, 2 is running and 4 vehicles is been stopped. So we have next option called as map view or bird view. So once we click on bird view, all the 8 vehicles showcase here, and we have an option of currently it is showing the clusters is nothing but the number of total vehicles can be seen. This is called as cluster, and we have an option of show label is nothing but the plate number of the vehicles or the vehicle registration. So let me click on this particular vehicle which is running at 55 kilometer speed. Let us zoom in. So you can see the vehicle has been traveling. So here you'll get the complete information of 2 days, how many kilometers the vehicle has been driven, and speed, running, current trip, and average speed and maximum speed of a vehicle, current location of the vehicle, how many satellites the vehicle is receiving. So this is how the vehicle has been traveling. So here we have an option also to check the history of the vehicle, where we have a blue color icon. So I'll click on that particular icon. I'll select it for 2 days. So you can see how the vehicle has been traveled. Let us play now. So this is how the vehicle is moving, or the history of the vehicle, how the vehicle had traveled. You can even increase the speed of a vehicle in the history. You can even pass, zoom in, click on that particular vehicle. You can see kilometer as well as the time of the vehicle, by what time the vehicle was near to the Rajeshwari Theatre. I'll exit now, or else you can even play and view the complete trip of a vehicle. So I'll just exit now. We have other options also to be monitored. So we can change the views of the map, satellite or hybrid. You can see the clarity of the map, Google Map. Okay, let us move to the status dashboard. Here it will show you the status of the vehicles. all the vehicles displays here. So it showcases status. The vehicle is moving at 49 kilometers per hour. The vehicle number is 8901, and the second vehicle is running at the speed of 33 kilometers per hour. If you don't want to look into the maps, if you just wanted the status of the map, you can vehicle, you can have this option. So we have other option called as travel, trip, stoppage, idle, inactive status, and object alerts. So let us go by travel. So this is the travel data of 2 days for all the vehicles. So the first vehicle is inactive, that's the reason we are showcasing as 0, but whereas the other vehicles has been traveled. So the second vehicle has traveled 20 kilometers, and the third vehicle has been traveled at 70 kilometers. Even if you click on this particular thing, and even individually you can just monitor from last yesterday how many kilometers, from last 1 week how many kilometers the vehicle has been driven. You can click on the chart, you can see the number of kilometers on current day, how many kilometers the vehicle has been traveled. So these are the option. So even in trips also, trips is nothing but uh, once the ignition is been put on and put off, it is considered as one trip. So currently the first vehicle, it has 11 trips. I mean 11 times the vehicle has been put on and off. So these are the things. First, distance and running, start time and start location, and as well as reach time. Reach time is nothing but the ignition is put off. Start time is nothing but the vehicle engine is put on. So this is the stoppage report today. How many hours the vehicle was in stop? So it says 15 hours the vehicle was in stop condition. And other option we have in settings is parking alert. Parking alert is nothing but where you can use one or two zones, or even the vehicle has been theft without putting ignition on. So in that cases it will be very useful for us to use this option. So that's all. Thank you.